Going across to a breaking update and this political scoop that we are picking up from the state of Rajasthan, where a cabinet reshuffle is likely in the coming days amid the ongoing power tussle that continues between Sachin Pilot and Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot. Now, what is being told that a meeting of the Rajasthan Congress Pradesh is currently underway, and the AICC General Secretary KC Venugopal and the All India Congress Committee General Secretary in charge for Rajasthan are there to discuss with the Chief Minister over a possible cabinet reshuffle and the appointment of district heads of the party organization and other political appointments are likely to take place. Now, what is being said about Sachin Pilot, which is also said that he is present with his supporters that have been raising slogans demanding that he be made the Chief Minister. Let me go across to Sumi joining us at this point to give us more details, because it is very interesting there as the power tussle that continues right from Punjab, also in Rajasthan. What is being noted is that when it comes to the role, Sumi, of Sachin Pilot, he and his faction is now seeking for his elevation. What are you hearing, especially we're looking at KC Venugopal to give out a reaction soon?
Cabinet expansion and a possible reshuffle on the cards, and in fact,
it will be done in the next few days, and which is why the All India Congress Committee General Secretary KC Venugopal, along with the AICC General Secretary also in charge for Rajasthan Ajay Maken, had left for Rajasthan and visited Ashok Gehlot's residence. And in the night there was a marathon meeting that also took place, which lasted for 2.5 hours. And in that meeting there were all possibilities discussed about the cabinet expansion and the political appointments that are likely to take place in the next few days. And in fact, a lot of the supporters are outside, the same venue where the Rajasthan Congress Pradesh is also meeting, and Sachin Pilot has also reached the residence. And there the supporters are raising a lot of slogans in favor of Sachin Pilot to be made as the Chief Minister. Remember, last year we had seen how the Sachin Pilot camp had turned rebel against the Ashok Gehlot leadership, and they were completely of the view that Sachin Pilot has worked hard to gain Rajasthan Congress the position that it has today, and which is why he deserves the position of the Chief Minister rather than Ashok Gehlot, who has had decades of his political career. However, Sachin Pilot's camp has 18 MLAs, and which is why the MLAs are now demanding that he should be accommodated as the Chief Minister and Ashok Gehlot should be replaced, and he should be made as someone who will give the political guidance to Sachin Gehlot when he will take over as the Chief Minister. And in fact, Sachin Pilot was also sacked as the former Deputy Chief Minister after his debacle with the Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot. And all of these political developments are now taking place in the state of Rajasthan. We'll have to wait and watch as to how the political discussions will go on, and what will be the new cabinet reshuffle be like. And in fact, there are at present 21 cabinet ministers, and there are 9 seats that have been left vacant, and Rajasthan can have maximum 30
So interesting political updates are expected from Rajasthan. If there is a likely cabinet reshuffle, what happens with the fate of Sachin Pilot, that remains to be decided, because he had hinted a few days back that his issues are being addressed by the Congress Party High Command. Sumi, thank you very much. Continuing to stay with that political scoop that we are picking up from the state of Rajasthan, as we are expecting KC Venugopal's reaction to come out of it very soon, as he's been meeting the state chief minister, and there is a likely cabinet reshuffle on the cards amid the ongoing power tussle between Sachin Pilot and Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot. The meeting of the Rajasthan Congress Pradesh, which is currently underway, Sachin Pilot also being said that is present with his supporters that have been raising the demand that he be reinstated, and this time the elevation to the post of the Chief Minister. Remember, it was same time around last year when he was removed from the post of the Deputy Chief Minister and the Pradesh Congress Committee Chief in July after he led the rebellion within the Rajasthan Congress. Well, Sumi is with us to give us more details as we continue to put forth what's really expected from today's meeting, because last month The MLAs from the pilot camps, we had said that the party should fulfill the promises that were made to Sachin Pilot. So they are hopeful that he will be elevated within the party.
Yes, absolutely. That has been their long-standing demand. In fact, the MLAs are outside the residence where the meeting is also taking place, and they are holding placards and sloganeering in favor of Sachin Pilot. And remember, their demand has always been Sachin Pilot's elevation as the Chief Minister of the state of Rajasthan, because his hard work and, in fact, his entire leadership and his hard work that has gone during the assembly elections has what driven the Ashok Gehlot government in the state of Rajasthan. And that is what the belief that these MLAs have. And, in fact, the 18 MLAs are also been waiting for bated breath that after Sachin Pilot was tagged as the former Deputy Chief Minister, that is when the demands were made. And, in fact, the Congress High Command also made a 3-member committee to look into the internal tussle that has been going on between Ashok Gehlot and Sachin Pilot. And now, after a lot of damage control has been done in one of the Congress-ruled states of Punjab, now the entire focus of the High Command of the Congress has shifted to Rajasthan, and which is why now this entire meeting is taking place. And, in fact, we had also seen the Congress Committee General Secretary KC Venugopal and Ajay Maken, who's also the in charge for Rajasthan. They left for Rajasthan yesterday, and in fact, after visiting Rajasthan, they also held a marathon meeting with the Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot in the wee hours of yesterday, and that meeting also lasted for 2.5 hours. So the seriousness of the entire situation indicates that certainly today's meeting will hold a lot of significance and will come up with a lot of political developments that will certainly set stage for the cabinet reshuffle that is likely to take place in the next few days.
All right. All right. Sumi, thanks very much for those details. We are standing by for latest updates from the Rajasthan Congress meeting currently underway.